This next song is called Kitchen Sink. It features my brother, who I love very much. Are you still with me? Nobody thinks what I think. Nobody dreams when they blink. Think things on the brink of blasphemy. I'm my own shrink. Think things are after me. I'm my catastrophe. I'm a kitchen sink. You don't know what that means, because a kitchen sink to you is not a kitchen sink to me. Okay, friend, are you searching for purpose? Then write something and it might be worthless. Then paint something and it might be wordless. Pointless curses, nonsense verses. You'll see purpose start to surface. No one else is dealing with your demons. Meaning maybe defeating them could be the beginning of your meaning, friend. Nobody thinks what you think, no one, and but me might be on the brink of extinction. They will play a game and say they know what you're going through, and I try to come up with a narcissistic way to say they don't know you, and neither do I. So here's a prime example of a stand-up guy who hates what he believes and loves it at the same time. Here's my brother and his head screwed up, but that's alright. Time gains momentum, the moment when I'm living in a moment, momentary, sending the moment past and after. Re-beginning, most spinning members, pretending enemies are frenemies, enemies trying to benefit me. Bad behavior, but I bet it could have been a better man. Copy and paste, caught me and copy, better rhymes bothered me. The better the rhythm, the better I am, but I better with the better I am. Gambling man, better I am a gambling man.